Here we have a 2019 BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the gloss black front splitter, as well as the full performance kit as well. Side skirts along the bottom, we have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae just there. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have a reversing camera as well. Dual exit exhaust at the rear just down there. Coming back round now to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now, coming into the back first, you'll find that we have the full black leather interior. You may have noticed just there the ambient lighting on the doors. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points. We have the M Performance style seat belts just there. Separate climate control for the rear passengers as well just down there. Along with the vents, we have the electric windows on the doors, again the ambient lighting, premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Again, the M Sport style seat belts, electric windows on the doors which are locked for the rear, electric mirrors, ambient lighting and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the auto lights just down there, the auto wipers as well, multifunctional steering wheel just down here. If we take a seat inside, you find that we have the heated steering wheel button just there. Paddle shifters on either side. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter as well. We have the digital dashboard up top, so if we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can switch between different views by pressing this button just on the side of the stalk there. So you can see we have the radio just there. We can also have all these other options as well if we just flick between them, as you can see. Also, if we put it into sport mode, you'll find it changes just like that as well, or back into hybrid. Moving over into the center console, you'll find the main infotainment screen. On here you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have a range of media such as the radio. You'll also find the Spotify music collection, the Bluetooth audio and the screen mirroring as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. We have a range of apps as well, such as the Amazon Alexa. We also have the lap timer just down here as well. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto as well. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. This screen is flickering, that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. Put it back into park though. Go onto the home, you'll find all these options just here. So if we go into car, go into the settings, this is where you'll find the interior ambient lighting just there. As you can see, we've got a few colours to choose from. So if you go on to orange, for example, you'll find it changes to orange just there. Nice wooden finish as well, just on the centre there. If we go back onto the settings, just carry on going back down onto the settings. Up onto the driving information. This is where you'll find the sport displays just there, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have all the different drive modes, so we have the sport drive mode, the hybrid, electric, and also the adaptive as well. Let's put it back into hybrid though. Further down you'll find this button just here for the intelligent safety, making it a very safe car to drive. We also have the climate control with the heated seats either side, all working just as it should do. We have some storage space just inside of here with the wireless phone charging, a USB port, 12-volt connectivity and two good sized cup holders. Gear stick just here, all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, a range of buttons with all of the drive modes just there, electric handbrake, auto hold. We also have a nice leather armrest just here which can be opened up for more storage. Instead of there you find a Type-C USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention we also have the heads-up display just up there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Thank you for watching.